welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making coconut oil. Stay tuned. So for this coconut oil, we'll be needing coconut, of course. So you break your coconut, and the next thing is to start. I know we all know how to break our coconut, right? Yeah, I believe so. So anyways, we start dicing. Make sure you dice the coconut very tiny, like tiny and very small, so you can be able to blend it properly. So after doing the cutting, the next thing is to blend. I'll be blending this coconut with warm water, not really too warm and not too hot, actually, just to be able to extract the milk properly, because if you use lukewarm water or maybe cold water, it won't extract properly. So then after blending for a while and you're okay with the outcome of the shaft, although I'll be blending it twice, you can blend yours thrice anyways, depends on your choice and the amount of milk you want to extract. So make sure you squeeze out the milk out of the shaft properly. Then afterwards, after doing the blending and squeezing out, the next thing you'll be doing is to receive it with a very small tiny old sieve or strainer. Then afterwards you refrigerate it for 24 hours. I actually refrigerated mine for 48 hours because I was so busy, so I couldn't complete the video. So it became so frozen, then I had to leave it to defroze. But trust me, the way it came out isn't how it should come out actually if you refrigerate it for 24 hours. So after it became defrozen, I started putting it in my frying pan on a low heat. I mean the lowest heat as possible. You don't want it to get burnt easily. So you start stirring once you've put each and every cream and curd into. That's what it's called. It's actually the oil. The white part is the oil. That's how you're going to get your oil. So you stir it properly and watch it transform from white to brown. I mean the cream. Watch it transform from white to brown. It's awesome. So I don't have a funnel, so I improvised by using a paper funnel, and voila, here is our coconut oil. So the water that I got from the from what I refrigerated, I'll be re-refrigerating it so I can use it to cook coconut rice. Yummy, right? I really can't wait. So thank you so much for watching my videos. I love you guys like so much, like crazy. See you guys in my next video. Bye.